Impedance testing is a crucial part of connector design and quality control, ensuring reliable performance. It helps engineers evaluate electrical characteristics, identify potential issues early, and guide design improvements. Just like water flowing through a pipe, the lower the impedance, the more efficiently signals and power are transmitted. Impedance testing also reveals how factors like temperature, humidity, or contamination can impact connector performance. As a core method for validating electrical performance, it helps keep equipment running reliably, even in high-frequency and high-interference environments. Precise testing, efficient transmission, reliable connections. GreenCon engineering every connection for consistent performance.